Breaking news. Tractor overturns while carrying women for tree plantation. 16 injured. Welcome to Varsha News 24/7. After a tractor carrying them to a tree plantation drive overturned accidentally in Patanasarivu village, Bellary district. The injured women were immediately shifted to the Bellary Trauma Care Hospital, where they are currently receiving medical treatment. Compli Assembly Constituency MLA J.N. Ganesh visited the hospital and interacted with the doctors. He instructed the medical staff to ensure that all the injured women receive the best possible treatment. The MLA also directed his close aide Virupakshi, Kurugodu Block President Channapasavaraj Gaudru and Metro Girish to visit the injured women, inquire about their health and extend the necessary financial assistance. For more updates, stay tuned with Varsha News 24/7.
ನಾಳೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ